Hi everyone, if you've ever been hearing the words Boomi, integration or iPaaS everywhere and wondering what they really mean, then this course might be exactly what you're looking for. Let me quickly show you what you'll learn, what value you will gain and who is this course designed for and also who this course is not designed for. So first let's look at what this course is all about. Well, this is a theory-based beginner-friendly course that explains the Boomi platform in simple and practical terms. No coding, no complex technical setup, just clear concepts explained step by step. We cover everything you need to build a strong foundation, including what integration really means in today's digital world, why companies need the iPaaS platform, how cloud models like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS fit into the integration story, what Boomi is and why so many organizations uses it, and also the Boomi platform architecture, terminology and deployment models. Then we'll talk about all major Boomi capabilities: integration, automation, data management, API management, workflow, B2B, EDI, event streams, AI and security. We will also talk about real world use cases from different industries. Then we'll look at how Boomi compares with other iPaaS tools in the market. I'll also help you walk you through with marketplace, community, partner network and certification learning paths, and finally how you can continue your learning journey after this course. Think of this course as your complete conceptual tour of the Boomi ecosystem. What is the value you will get from this course? In section 1, we'll talk about integration and cloud basics. You will learn why integration matters, how cloud model work like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, and what iPaaS really means. This builds the foundation needed before you learn Boomi. Section 2 will do the introduction to Boomi. You understand what Boomi is, why company uses it, how the platform evolved and the new terminology used today. You'll also learn how to read older screenshots and content confidently. And the section 3, which is Boomi Platform Overview, you get a clear picture of full Boomi enterprise platform, speaking about architecture, deployment models, editions and the wider ecosystems like connectors, marketplace and the community. The section 4 will look at Boomi capabilities. You will learn the high-level purpose of each major Boomi capability: integration, data management, API management, workflow, B2B or EDI, event streams, AI and security, with real-world context to show you why each capability is important. In section 5, we will talk about real-world use cases. You will see how Boomi is used in CRM, ERP, HR, finance, retail, healthcare and more. You'll also learn cloud migration patterns, pros and cons of Boomi, and how Boomi compares with other iPaaS tools. In section 6, we will look at ecosystem and learning path. You will learn how to use the marketplace, community and partner network. You will also understand Boomi certification path and the career opportunities in the integration ecosystem. Section 7 is summary and next steps. You will revisit all key takeaways, get a conceptual tour of Boomi platform and receive guidance on what to learn next. So who should take the course? This course is perfect for students and professionals who are new to Boomi, beginners who want to understand integration concepts before touching any tools, IT managers and decision makers evaluating the iPaaS platforms, functional consultant, business analyst and the pre-sale professionals, anyone planning a career in integration, automation or digital transformation, people who prefer learning concepts first and hands-on later. If you want a simple, clear explanation of the entire Boomi platform, this course will help you. Who should not take this course? This course is not for people looking for hands-on development or coding training, learners expecting step-by-step interface demos or lab sessions, students preparing specifically for Boomi certification exams, highly advanced Boomi developers looking for deep technical topics. This course is purely a high-level, conceptual and a theory-based course. Why this course exists? Many learners jump directly into the tools like Boomi without understanding the basics and then they struggle. So this course fixes that. It prepares your mind with the fundamentals so that your hands-on journey becomes easy and meaningful. This is your foundation and this is where your integration journey begins. So if you're ready to understand the Boomi platform from the ground up in a simple, friendly and a structured way, then join me in this course. Let's build your Boomi integration fundamentals together. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you inside the course.